Greeting, Mark Bunny. We're going to be looking at how we can actually download TikTok right here on this laptop computer. Yes. So first you want to go down into the taskbar right here. Notice you see right here Microsoft Store. We're going to click on it. Now click on Microsoft Store. This is exactly what it looks like. So we're going to actually get this store from right there. And if I'm right out to the store, all right, if you notice, this is what will come up. So we can actually go to the side here to the right. I'm going to scroll down. So notice right here, so these are the free app right here. So I'm going to click right here. Now this is going to open the section with all different type of app. You notice iTunes, WhatsApp, iCloud. Notice all it for free. Adobe QuickTime. So I'm going to go down some more. Right, scroll up. If you notice, this is the TikTok. You notice it's a free. Notice you have Messenger, Facebook, but you can actually download my laptop. So I'm going to click on TikTok right here. Now when I click on TikTok, right, this definitely is what happened. Now this is the interface, is how it looks like. You give a look at this description right here about TikTok. If you notice right away, you say get. So you need to click on the word get. Now when you click on the word get, this is exactly sure that it's actually cool. But if you notice, it just I give you a preview already. What it will look like you're signing from right here, sir. You like it from right here. Notice your follower and all of that. So you will see exactly. If you notice right here, show it actually downloading so far. So you can actually go to Microsoft Store for that, or otherwise you can go to the web to do the same. Right? So notice right here, show that complete. Right, so I can come right here and close it. Now when I close it, if you notice right here on desktop, you haven't seen it. Alright, so I'm going to come right here, startup menu and click. Now when I click, this is self visit right here. So I'm going to right click on it. Now if I right click on this, I can pin to the start. Right here, start. Notice if I click right here, I can uninstall it. Come right here more. So that I can actually pin it to the taskbar, which is right here. Right, you can run an administrator right here, app setting. You can actually move it. I'm going to pin to the taskbar by clicking it. Right, you notice when I click it now, so it's actually right here now. So I wanted to open it, so I'm going to click on it. Now when I click on it, now you're going to see exactly. All right, there you go. So this is if can minimize it, so I can actually bring it up. So this is TikTok right here on my computer so far. So definitely, if you wanted to upload video and all of that, it's right here. Show that you have to log in. Right here, so they can upload the video. You can actually follow. You know, this particular individual live following and all of that. Right. So when you finish, you can actually come right out and close. Right. So it's right here. You just click. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.